Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and in today's video I want to share with you my thoughts about the biggest distinction I learned in yesterday's Facebook and Instagram outage here in 2019. Now, for a lot of people, yesterday my internet was down for a good part of the day, so I missed all of the stuff that went on, but a lot of people literally freaked out, especially entrepreneurs who primarily use Facebook and Instagram in building their business. And it literally, I saw people just in a tizzy. So what is the lesson from this? You have to understand that first, any content you create, okay, because I guess with Instagram and Facebook you couldn't do any Facebook Lives, you couldn't comment, you couldn't post. Those assets that you create, that content, that is part of the, that becomes property of the social media network, okay? So if they change the rules, you can literally lose all that content. So what you want to make sure is that you know, as you're building an audience, engaging your audience before you sell to your audience, you have to make sure that you have a backup where people can find your content. And there's two ways that you do that. Number one is building a list, and number two is having your own blog or website. Because with your list and with your blog, okay, you're able to control the content that goes out. You know, when you have a blog, you can delete a post, and that's under your control. When you have an autoresponder, you can control the emails that you're sending out. So those are ways that people can communicate. And I found that a lot of people, when this went on, they went back and fell back to the tried and true email for communication. So that tells me email's never going to go away, nor is having your own website. Now, I did a video a couple of days ago about should you have a blog when you're first getting started in your business. Now, you have to understand with blogging, you're not going to get instant results with your blog. It's a long-term game, but it is one of the most powerful assets you can build in your business because it will work for you even when social media goes down. It's just that it's going to take a long time to build up that following, build up that audience, and then you can monetize it and you can start getting residual leads and residual income coming in. You know, the key to doing this, to building a successful online business, you know, you need to follow the formula, build an audience, engage an audience, and sell to your audience. But as part of the building an engaging process, it's a combination of using both social media and doing blogging, okay? So you need to have a blog and your email, which is going to be your email list, which is going to be your best insurance policy when it comes to things happening where where Facebook goes down or Instagram goes down or Twitter goes down. Or there might be a time when Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, they're no longer around, okay? Things change. That is the one thing you have to understand too, is with social media, there could be a whole new network that's developed, okay, and everybody abandons Facebook and Instagram. It could happen. So that's why having the blog and the email list are really two assets you want to consider having for your business so that you have a place to point your audience to and connect with so that the sales eventually will come. Because keep this in mind, people's attention spans are 8 seconds or less. So if you're not out there constantly communicating with them, interacting with them, they're going to forget about you. And so in the times when you do send an email, they're going to be like, who's this from? And they're going to mark it as spam. So when you are out there every day emailing your list and you're creating content for your blog and you're directing your list to your blog post, what that's going to do is that's going to build the bond, it's going to build the engagement, and over time it is going to be one of your most profitable assets. So I hope you found this video valuable today. If you did, leave a comment and share. And if you're not on my newsletter, go to workwithdrlisathompson.com. Give me your best email address, and I will send you more tips and strategies on how you can build a full-time income while working only part-time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.